Hello everybody, this is Teddy the roofer. I'm gonna show you a few things. It's wrong here, they did a mistake. They didn't replace this pipe boot. It's the original. They add another layer at the top of the old shingle. They didn't replace that. And look how they installed the shingle. So be careful who you hire to replace your roof. Your roof is the investment for your house. Look there at the bottom. There is people everywhere scamming, just trying to steal your money, and they disappear. Be careful with those people, because you were trying to find them to back and fix. They would not back because you will not find them. They are out of business or just disappear. They move to another state. Look at the caps. They didn't remove this, or they reuse again this old style of Richmond. Look at the nails. Wow, this is crazy. This is shingle. Caps is here. The water is going on here. Look at this. Wow. This is shingle. Supposed to go under. This is at the top. Water come here and it's go under straight to the valley. That's why they have leak. The homeowners say how to fix the problem. Sorry, but they need to replace